The Ohio Supreme Court strikes down a law that allowed some teens charged with serious crimes to be transferred automatically to adult court.
The law moved 16 and 17-year-olds charged with serious felonies to adult court without receiving some of the benefits offered by the juvenile court. As Local 12's CINCINNATI Levy shows us, the decision may impact some local cases moving through the system right now.
A 4-3 decision by the Ohio Supreme Court is considered a win for some teenagers who were automatically sent to adult court after being charged with serious felonies such as aggravated murder and rape.
The Ohio Supreme Court has found that is unconstitutional. It's a due process violation. Defense
attorney Jay Clark believes juvenile cases should stay in juvenile court since children are more susceptible to outside influences. Clark says juveniles transferred automatically to adult court haven't been getting amenability hearings.
It allows a juvenile court judge the opportunity to look at that child as a person and determine if there are resources within the juvenile system that would be helpful to the child.
Clark says one of his clients, Amir Evans, could benefit from the ruling. Evans was charged with aggravated murder in adult court for a robbery that ended in a murder in 2015. Clark says Evans didn't fire the gun and had a minor record. In today's ruling, justices wrote, age should not be treated as the sole decisive factor in transferring a child for criminal prosecution, and all children should have an amenability hearing before being transferred to adult court.
I really am not shocked by the decision. This has been an argument that's been raised across the state probably since the legislation passed many years ago.
Judge Sylvia C.V. Hendon was on the commission that wrote the original statute. She expects juveniles with cases in the system now to raise this issue, along with others.
And then I think the third group of people will be the ones who've already been sentenced and are currently serving time in the adult penal system.
Meanwhile, Clark believes the decision could help some teens.
I think there will be some people now who don't end up in adult court because they are in a position to be helped by juvenile court services. So it will make a big difference for some kids.
CINCINNATI Levy, Local 12 News.
Today's ruling does not mean some teens charged with serious crimes will not be transferred to adult court. They will simply be afforded a hearing in juvenile court first to see if the case would be best handled there.